Introducing the 2022 Skoda Kodiaq 7S STY, 2.0 TDI 150 horsepower DSG 5-door AU in sleek black. This SUV is loaded with top-notch features for your comfort and safety. From ambient lighting to satellite navigation, this vehicle has it all. With ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. The Skoda Kodiaq also boasts a chrome package, roof rails and privacy glass for a sharp look. Rest assured, knowing this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, comes with a comprehensive warranty and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Call us or visit spiritskoda.ie for more information on this amazing SUV.